Ah, this was a bad idea. Wow, it looks unbelievably light, like lighter than it's ever looked before. Why does no one educate me? Should learn these things in school. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Beth and there is going to be new videos 3 times a week from now on. Ignore my hand if you've just seen that. I know it's brown. You will see what's going to happen in this video. I know I look alright right now, but I'm about to switch to full egg mode because this video is a glow up with me from looking like a full-on egg, rolled out of bed, just had a shower, to full glam. But for some reason I deleted the intro yesterday, so here we go. This is the intro. Hello, stick with me. You're going to be so shocked in a minute when you see me like, oh, bear with. Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to catfish. Glow up with me. Now I'm going to give myself a Dermaplane facial. I'm not a professional, I don't know how they do it. I just use one of these little razors, go all the way over my face and then moisturise my whole face, and it looks smooth and fabulous. Literally, I just go over everywhere with this, like my whole face, my chin, my stash. Can you see all this skin fluff here? Like, look at that, that's just come off me. Like, you think you don't need to do it, like I've literally like not done it in like a week and that's how much comes off. Like, it's worth doing it. I then go in with my Pixi Milky Tonic all over my face just to try and soothe the skin. It feels amazing. I go in with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Lotion moisturiser all over the face because the skin is lost a lot of moisture, and I find that a lot of people don't understand that yes, you've got oily skin. One of the main reasons people get oily skin is because they think, oh, I'm not going to moisturise, like I'm too oily to moisturise. Your skin produces more oil when it's dehydrated, when you don't moisturise. So the more you moisturise, the less oily eventually you shall be, because that's what your skin's doing. It's like a little, help me, I need hydrating. Now that's all done, my skin literally feels amazing. Now we get on to the fun part. Done! I washed my bed sheets yesterday. Oh well. So I'm gonna fake tan everywhere. I've got a mitt, but I'm gonna try fake tanning my face with a makeup brush because that's what I've seen people do. I've just realised that I should probably dry my hair first, really, shouldn't I? Otherwise, when I put my hair down, it's gonna ruin the tan. I've done this before, but I'm so stupid. So first I'm gonna dry my hair. I just literally dry my hair like every other normal person. Like, I'm no hairdresser, I don't do it like the funky way. Okay, so had a little model video shoot there. My hair is all dry, so I'm just going to tie it up in a bun on the top of my head. Okay, back to being an egg. And I'm just going to add this headband as well. Oh god, I'm filming a TikTok at the same time as this. I look like such an egg in that TikTok. I'm going to start with my face. So this is the St. Mariz Instant Tanning Mousse in Darker Than Dark. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with the brush, like I've seen other people do, on my already moisturised face. Right, let's hope that this is not the colour that I stay, because what the actual hell. Oh, Jesus. It's just dripped on my leg. Oh, Jesus. This is the worst idea I've ever had. Okay, so I'm all tanned. I don't know what to do now. It says to leave it for like 2 hours. But I don't really want to do that, so I don't know whether to just jump in the shower and rinse it off now. Because this is not okay. Jesus. I've just been doing it the whole time with the wrong side of the mitt. Also, I want to add in here that I just went and washed it off. I don't know why I didn't say that, but that's what I did. The tan has just made it awful. So the next part of my glowing up transformation is these brows. Like, look at these. Something needs doing. So I've kept up both my brows. I'm not actually mad at this. I'm just going to go over my whole eyelid with that same Elf Cosmetics Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. And yeah, that looks absolutely crazy, but it's not gonna, so don't worry. Go on, guess what palette I'm gonna use? Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette. Honestly, I've said this like 500 million times, like especially if you follow my Instagram, but this is my favourite palette ever made. Like, it has every colour in it. It has every colour you could ever need. I'm thinking of doing like a really dark black glittery smoky eye. So that's what I'm going to do. Obviously using the Carnival palette, I'm going to start with a dark brown and just bring that up through the crease. I always say up through the crease, but it's always like just actually above my crease because I make my own crease, you know? Blend, 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 blend. Once you're satisfied with that blend, get a lighter black brown and just go around the edges with that. And then once I've done that, I go around the very edge, like the very, very edge, with a white eyeshadow just to make sure that it's all seamlessly blended in. Now we need to grab the black. So we go in with the black. I'm going to pack this on all over the lid. And now you want to bring that black up as well to where we created the crease with the dark brown. I was going to do like a black glittery smoky eye, but do you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I'm going to need to cut the crease and do like some kind of really vibrant colour because it's just not me unless it has a bit of colour, you know? Pink or green? Pink or green? Well, I'm going with it now, it's green. Yes. Obviously, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put glitter on it. So I'm going to go in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow in Sunset Cove and pop that all over the green. Yes, boo. Okay, so other eye now complete. I'm going to go in with liner. Just doing a little line just to help conceal my lashes. I'm going in with the P. Louise Dare Luxury Lashes, my literal all-time faves. First, little tip to blend your lashes in, always go in with mascara first. And you're good to go, really. These are literally my favourite eyelashes ever. Like, look at the fluffiness of that. P. Louise came through with these lashes. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer as well. And put that all in the places I need it. I hope this isn't taking my tan off right now. Before we go in with foundation, I just want to make this really clear that this is not going to be my colour. I have just fake tan. I'm just going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix Foundation in NC20. See, this is not my shade. I'm going to bronze it up. Don't worry. Okay, so now I'm going to have to go in with my concealer, which is going to be really a lot lighter than this even. Oh, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Concealer again in Fair Beige. And put that on my face. Wow, it looks unbelievably light, like lighter than it's ever looked before. Really love the look of really light under eyes. Like, don't get me wrong, I've seen some people who are like white and I think like, that looks a bit crazy. Mine looks a bit like that right now. Okay, we'll just roll with it. Okay, I literally look like the moon right now. But this is all blended out, like as good as it's gonna get, I'd say. Like, winning! Brushing it off. Revolution, this powder is not translucent, otherwise my whole face would not look like this. So I'm gonna go in with Benefit Hoola and a lot of it and try and make this look not as ridiculous and bronze up. I'm thinking we need bronze everywhere. The Benefit Gold Rush blush, which I've hit pan on, which I'm really sad about because it's like one of my favourite blushes ever. Oh, it smells amazing as well, I always forget. We're going to go with my favourite highlight in the whole world now, Benefit Cookie Highlight, which I've already got a little bit on my cheek, as you can see. But I'm going to dampen the little brush that comes with it with setting spray and just pop some more on my face here. Yes, look at that. Like, honestly, if you want one highlighter that is like really good, Benefit Cookie Highlight is the one. You're good to glow. Did you get it? Good to glow? Lining the waterline makes such a massive difference. I'm just going in with the number 7 Intense Colour Black Waterproof liner and putting that in the waterline, as you can see. I'm just going to go in and drag some brown underneath. I like to always smoke out the waterline. I don't like a harsh line. If you stuck around, go you, because you get to see me like this. I'm just going to go in and put some bottom lash mascara on This is just the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So now I'm going to go in with my Toffee lip liner from Primark and just line my lips. I then go in with my Velvet Teddy from MAC and just fill that in. I'm going to do my hair now because I'm very sick of looking like an egg. Wow, this is what my hair looks like after putting it in a bun while in the shower. Let's straighten it. So I have to go for a wee first. Be happy. Whether I'm curling or straightening my hair, I always do it in sections. So I just twist it and pop a big section of it on top of my head with a clip and brush through the two side sections that I'm going to curl or straighten. So I take a section, I want a big section but not too big. Straighten the top side like that and then twist it round and start slowly pulling it down, pulling it down, pulling it down through to the very end, and then it curls like that. So I'm just going to do that with all these sections and then I'll be back. Okay, so now both sides are curled like to how I want them. I'm going to go in with my Fern McCann, just from the pound shop, Firm Hold hairspray. This smells so nice. Okay, so the hair is all curled, all complete. I actually love it when my hair's curled, but now I'm just gonna like run through it a bit with my fingers because I don't want them to be like really like, you know, curly curls. I want them to be a bit more. I was gonna brush through it, but sometimes these ones at the front can go a bit weird if I brush through it. So if I just go through my fingers, I like to make sure, I don't like my top of my hair to be flat, so I like to like go through like that. So the glow up transformation is nearly complete. I just need to add a bit of jewellery and my outfit and we shall see how it looks. I will be back in a second. So this is it, transformation fully complete with brown elbow and brown thumb. Oh Jesus. So I hope you please subscribe for more. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with everyone you know. Share it with whoever you want. Share it, share it, share it, and I will be back with more videos. If you've got any video suggestions, comment them in the comment section below. That would be really helpful for me. Remember to follow me on all my other social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, where I post videos every single day, and I will be back with a new video very soon, guys. See you soon.